Today we are going to learn about Mary Cassatt. Mary Cassatt was born in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania on May 22, 1844. She loved painting and drawing since she was a very young child. As she grew older, her parents always found her scribbling on papers or painting beautiful pictures. As Mary grew into a young adult, her love for painting didn't fade. She decided to go to art school. Back then, it was unusual for young women to study art, but Mary was brave and determined. She went to Philadelphia to study at the Pennsylvania Academy of the Fine Arts. She learned many things about art while studying there, but eventually she wanted to explore more. Mary packed her bags and traveled across the ocean to France, a place famous for its art. France was an exciting place for young Mary. She met many artists who became her good friends. One of them was Edgar Degas. He was a well-known artist who loved painting dancers and everyday life. Mary was inspired by Degas's style of painting. They would often visit museums, art galleries, and cafes together, talking about art and sharing ideas. Degas even invited Mary to exhibit her paintings with a group of artists called the Impressionists. The Impressionists were a group of artists who liked to paint what they saw and felt. They painted with a focus on light, color, and their personal impressions. Impressionist artists do not try to paint a reflection of real life, but an impression of what the person, light, atmosphere, object, or landscape looks like to them. Mary fit right in with this group of artists. She started painting beautiful pictures of women and children in their daily life. She enjoyed capturing the bond between mothers and their kids. As time went by, Mary's paintings became very popular. Even though Mary was in France, she never forgot her family back in America. She would often send them letters with her artworks. People in America loved her paintings so much that she became famous there too. Mary was a very hard-working artist. She kept learning and growing, trying new ways of painting. She made her colorful artworks with a lot of love and care. Her paintings brought joy to many people around the world. Mary's art made people appreciate the simple, everyday moments and the special bond between family members, especially between mothers and their children. Let's take a moment to view some of Mary Cassatt's work. Notice how she focused on capturing everyday moments and her dreamlike painting style. Mary Cassatt lived a long and happy life. She died on June 14, 1926, but she left behind a beautiful world of art for us all to enjoy. Mary showed us that hard work, determination, and passion can help us live our dreams, no matter how different they may seem. She taught us about the beauty in capturing the simple, everyday moments in our lives. Even today, people all over the world admire her paintings and remember her as a brave and talented artist. So the next time you see a painting by Mary Cassatt, remember the determined young lady from Pittsburgh who traveled all the way to France to follow her dream of becoming an artist.